Hey everybody, it's Mike Nelson at efficientlending.net. Thanks so much for stopping by my blog or my YouTube channel. I'm always honored and appreciate it when people stop by to check out my online content. Hey, the topic for today is number 3 in my series on finessing your mortgage. And the topic for today is 3 tips on the best way to shop for your loan. And the genesis of this idea really just came out because I get calls all the time on the phone, borrowers, even real estate agents, and they'll just say, hey, what's your best rate? I'm shopping for a loan. They got to be honest with you. If you're a borrower, that might not be the absolute best way to shop for your loan. And the reason is, look, you're going to call somebody up and they're going to say, my best rate is X, and you have no idea the product. You don't know how many points are involved, fee structure, anything of that nature. So today we're just going to do 3 quick tips on the best way to shop for your loan. Tip number 1, if you are serious about getting a refinance or a purchase, whatever it might be, have your FICO pulled. A couple things that you need to know about this. There should be, work with a lender who does not charge you for that FICO report to be pulled, your credit report, and they're not putting you under any obligation. And they need to give you a copy of that report. Super important. A lender who's doing their job properly, there's no way they can tell you what the exact credit score or interest rate is going to be unless they've got your credit report. It's just the way it is. The other thing is the way the regulations are is we really want the consumer to be able to shop for their loan, and that's really important, obviously. So you can have your credit report pulled multiple times in any basic 3-week window, and you're only going to get 1 inquiry for it as long as it's from another financial institution. But here's the hot tip. Just get it pulled once and then make sure you get the copy, and then you can send that FICO to other lenders if you so choose, and they can give you a good quote that way as well. So that's tip number 1. But you got to have your credit pulled if you're serious. Second tip is this. You got to be transparent with your loan officer. They have to know what your financial situation is, what credit history is, what your goals are, what you're trying to do with the purchase of the refinance. That's the only way they can really help you. Now, I'm not just saying give all your financial information to every person you call. Check them out. Make sure they represent work for a reputable company. Look online for their presence, things of that nature. But you're going to have to share some information in order to get the best possible interest rate quote back. My third tip is a pretty simple one. It's get an estimated fee sheet. Estimated fee sheet, I've got a sample up here. Look, it's a complex document. It's got a lot of numbers on it, but this is what it is. It's a good faith estimate of what the interest rate, the loan product is, and estimated closing costs. Estimated fee sheet, it's a legal document. Lender has to provide it for you if you ask for it, and it has to be in good faith, meaning you just can't pick numbers randomly out of the air and make things up. It's got to represent a realistic condition. I virtually try to give all my customers an estimated fee sheet with my quotes because I love to have that conversation, make sure everybody's on the same page. 1 word of caution with the estimated fee sheet, actually 2 words of caution. Number 1, garbage in, garbage out. If your loan officer doesn't have the right information, the fees that are estimated aren't going to be all that great. And the second piece of advice on the estimated fee sheet is you really have to review this with your licensed loan officer because all the numbers have meaning, they have implications to them, and unless you know the nuances and what the numbers really are trying to represent, you're really not going to understand what the real true expense is. There's things like prepaids, there are lender fees, there are appraisal fees, things of that nature, and those are important. It's your money. You need to understand what they mean and how they impact the borrowing process. Anyway, those are my 3 tips. I hope they help. Listen, I love to continue the dialogue. I love to make new acquaintances. I love to meet new people. Email me, text, call, whatever you like anytime. If I can help you, I certainly will. But listen, thanks for spending time with me. Thanks for visiting my online content. I hope you have a wonderful day and a great week. Thanks again.